KEENON Robotics showcased its service and sanitation robotic solutions at the 2022 Foodservice Australia Sydney, which is a leading food industry trade show for cafes, restaurants, caterers, and food retailers, and a unique platform to reach and connect with existing and potential partners. The robots showcased in the event include the Dinobot, Butlerbot, Guiderbot, and Disinfection Robot. A new floating tray for Dinobot T8 is also on display for the first time in Australia. The tray consists of a removable anti-pouring frame and a base with a notch that is oriented in the same direction as the robot tray notch. It's designed to be installed on the robot's top tray to ensure stability and balance and reduce the risk of spilling when delivering drinks.
KEENON.